Howdy fam. Out here riding Lady Bird Lake. That's Jay back there. Nice little little workout cruise. A couple days after the gravel race. Legs are feeling great. I know, right? Sell it to you for cheap.
My tongue hanging out, dragging my dick. Up in here.
It's perfect. That's killer footage. Don't drop the camera here. I do love this part of the trail. It's cool. Lady Bird Lake Loop is a 10-miler. It wraps around the city, but it keeps you down here on the lake. I mean, it's about 50-50 gravel and paved. But man, it's fun. It's fast. Good people watching. Always a lot of people out here, which I don't know, maybe that's a good or bad thing right now, but whatever. Gotta learn to live with it, I guess. How we living, fam? Jay's back there riding with me today. We are practicing for a gravel race. We're out here doing a 20-mile ride through Austin, Texas. We're gonna go hit the Lady Bird Lake Loop. But we started a little far south so we could add some extra miles and some elevation to that. Yield to bicicletas. What's up, Jay? It's a good hill, right?
Yeah. Gotta stay out of Westlake if it's like that right here.
Yeah, buddy.
I adjusted my seat a little, kicked it up, figured out the gears. It's alright. Alright.
Woo! We're cruising for 20 today, so yeah, we're cruising for our own bruising. Cool. Rock and roll. Mr. Vagrant over there decided to knock these porta potties to the ground.
Okay,
Jay,
I said all I can say. He apologized.
Jay wasn't standing for it.
But it doesn't help the, emergency rooming facility either.
No, it doesn't at all.
Alright, so it's me. It's not the bike. I need to quit blaming people. I need to quit directing onto him.
It's such an eventful day out here, man. I'm telling you. We're having a good time. They're hawks just coasting on the breeze. Ride. Solid workout.
Again, that wasn't as bad as I thought. If I was still stuck in number 2 and hadn't figured that out as a personal biking problem, it would have been. But yeah, much better.
Cool. Yeah. All right, we're almost back to home base. We're at like mile 18 or so. It's been a great cruise, a good day, even though it's a little overcast, but whatever. Busy. Like the roads are busy as crap. Yeah, Mopac. 360 Mopac was just stuffed with cars. That's typical, but whatever. Anyway, we're gonna head on back. It was a great ride. Till next time.